how to fix your Valorant cannot connect to server. So let's get straight into the video. The first thing you want to do is check your server status. Go to status.riotgames.com and see if the servers are up and running. If they are down, simply try again later. Also, make sure that you have a stable internet connection. If not, then simply try restarting your modem or your router. You can also restart your Riot client. You can also restart your Riot client and your PC, and then you can also simply go ahead and run Riot client as an administrator by simply right-clicking on it and then selecting run as administrator. If you're using any kind of VPNs or proxies, make sure that is all disabled as well. And you can simply go ahead and allow Riot client through the firewall if needed. You can also go ahead and open the command prompt as administrator and run these commands right over here: ipconfig// flush DNS, ipconfig/release, ipconfig/renew, and netsh winsock reset. Change your DNS if needed. Simply use the Google DNS or the cloud server or Cloudflare DNS. If none of it is working, simply try uninstalling and reinstalling the Riot client. I hope this video clarifies everything for you. If you have further more queries, feel free to comment down below, and I'll